How to get the iOS developer beta. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS developer beta on your iPhone. If you want early access to the latest iOS features, here's how you can get started. Alright, before we begin, remember that the developer beta is mainly for testing and can have bugs. So make sure to back up your iPhone first. Now let's dive into it. To get the developer beta, you'll need to join Apple's developer program. Open Safari and go to developer.apple.com. Sign in with the Apple ID and enroll in the program. It costs $99 per year, so keep that in mind. Once enrolled, log into your developer account and under Downloads, find the latest iOS developer beta profile. Download the profile and when prompt, go to Settings to install it. After installing the profile, go to Settings, tap on General, then go to Software Update and you should now see the iOS developer beta available. Tap Download and install. And once it's done, your phone will restart with the new beta. And that's it. Now you are running the latest iOS developer beta and can explore new features before anyone else. Just remember to report any bugs to Apple to help improve the final release. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.